Hello guys, welcome to Aloryx. Today I am back with another video talking about two new smartphones from OnePlus. They are budget segment and will come under 20,000 rupees. So let's get into the video. After weeks of leaks and rumors, they have finally launched Nord N10 and Nord N100. With the addition of two new smartphones, OnePlus has now three devices under the name of OnePlus Nord. Now let's compare these two devices. First of all, let's talk about design. Nord N10 feels premium than the other device, whereas Nord N100 feels a little boxy compared to the Nord N10. Talking about the display, N10 comes with a 6.49-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz of refresh rate, whereas N100 only comes with a 60Hz display with HD Plus resolution. Talking from the specification point of view, the Nord N10 comes with Snapdragon 690 processor, while the Nord N100 comes with the Snapdragon 460 processor. As far as N10 goes, the real talking point of the phone is the Snapdragon 690 processor, which in real world has enough computing power to handle intensive tasks like gaming. The Nord N10 gets a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera, a 119-degree ultra wide, a macro and a monochrome camera. For selfies, the phone gets a 16 megapixel camera. In comparison, the Nord N100 gets a 13 megapixel primary camera with two more lenses for portrait and macro shots. Lastly, let's talk about charger and battery capacity. OnePlus Nord N10 has a 4300 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging, while OnePlus Nord N100 comes with a slightly bigger 5000 mAh battery with support for 18 watt fast charging. So OnePlus has finally decided to give their oxygen noise experience to a budget under 20k. So is it really worth it? Yes, of course. So here's the question to you guys. Will you buy a OnePlus device under 20k? Please put it down in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.